there behind that pine tree.
Okay.
Whoa, wait, what?
Behind the pine tree. Hey, Brendan, make sure you get everybody up in this bitch. No, we're good. They said it's in the circle.
Oh, Jesus, Jesus. No,
Calm the fuck down, Lee.
whoa!
Lee, slow down.
Oh, Harmon.
We're gonna go.
Shit, this is bad, guys.
We're gonna get shut up.
Oh, shit. I got hit. Oh, we got guys here. Where are they? To the right. Right there! Oh, shit. Fuck out! Oh, where are they at? Right there. Shit. Dylan, oh, God, he's a horrible driver. Holy fuck, dude. I got him. Hey, we need to do complete circles. Hey, tell Reese we need to do complete circles around us so we ain't moving around so much.
That's right. We got this.
Oh, what the? Oh.
Hit the gas. You gotta go fast. Where are they at, guys? They're up there. Where?
Right there, right there! He's running right at him, what the hell? Oh shit, dude, we're right in.
The bus stop.
Ow! Pull out, dude. They're all up in there. Oh shit, right there! Oh my god! Hey, we should set up where everyone. Oh shit! Pile out! Pile out! Pile out! Ah!
Yeah.
Oh, behind! Behind! Behind!
No. Yeah, another.
You got him? Nice! Hey, he's out. Hey, we got one right there, right there! Get him, Dylan, get him! Right in the trees! Just stand out this side. Cover my nuggets up here. Hey, he called hit? You hit? Don't shoot, Dylan. Hold on.
Hey, we should you hit?
Okay, come on out. Is that? Oh, we got. Shit. We got Hooper. Hoop, Daddy.
Oh, this is kind of gay. Alright, Lee, let's get you out of here. Alright, well, try to back up. You guys gotta cover us while we try to cover. At least have one of us cover. Back up. Alright, go forward.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we need that.
Get him out! What's happening?
Fucking stuck. What's happening?
chasing him.
Is that Hooper?
He's just sitting there.
Who's that right there?
That's
It's Terry.
Terry. He must have taken a face full of paint because he's spitting.
No, he's out.
Yeah, no, I think he got hit in the mask because he's spitting stuff out.
He said he's gonna take it. We're stuck.
I think that's game. We got this one in the bag.